In this video series, we are going to create this profile page just like Instagram that have the avatars, the username, and the edit buttons. And it also shows how many posts, followers, and also followings. And you can see we also have the stories at here, so it can scroll, and you can see the scroll button will disappear when this is start, and when you scroll to the end, it will also disappear, the scroll button. And also, if you look at this, when you click on this button, it will have a borderline at here, and it's just like at the same line together. And when the mouse over on the picture, you can see the semi-transparent back cover the image, and there is a heart icon and also the comment icon shown on the image. And at here we will cover the NextJS image also, and also other areas such like the fun awesome and also the Daisy UI and also the hero icons. So the first thing is we already download the start project from the IG headers tooltips project, and we already have the components of headers, and we can go to the terminals. We go to the terminal and type yarn to install all the package. So we already installed, and now we type yarn dev. Now we go back to localhost 3001. Now we can see we have the headers, and we will start from here. Now the first thing is we go to create a new file called profile.js, and then we type underscore RAFCE, and then we type profile here. This let us know that we are using the profile components later, because we now go to the index.js, and inside this, instead of using these Lorem tabs, we are going to replace this with the profile component. So we delete all of this, and then we import the profile. And now if you look at this page, you cannot see the profile because it already hidden by the headers. So we have to back to the class name and type padding top 20, and also we have to change to the Instagram background gray color. So we use grade 100. So now we can see the profile, this word, and we can see there's a light gray color as background.